Hello students, today we are going to start ratio and proportion. So our first question is express the following ratio in simplest form. Now here we have 1 upon 5 is to 1 upon 10 is to 1 upon 15. So what we need to do, we need to take the LCM of the denominators first. So here 5, 10 and 15 LCM is 30. You know how to take the LCM? Now because this is in ratio, so I can multiply or divide anything. So here 30 is the LCM, so I will multiply 30 in each fraction. I can write this as 30 upon 5, 30 upon 10 and 30 upon 15. Now 30 upon 5 is 6, 30 upon 10 is 3 and 30 upon 15 is 2. So I can write this as 6 is to 3 is to 2. Now we come on next question. Find the ratio of the following in simplest form. So here we have 9 meter to 27 centimeter. First thing, we will convert this into same unit. Here we have meter and this is centimeter. So I will convert meter to centimeter. Now we know that 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So here we can write 9 meter equals to 900 centimeter. So our ratio will become 900 centimeter is to 27 centimeter. Centimeter cancels out and this both of them comes in the table of 9. So I will divide with 9. So I will get 100 is to 3. So this is our required ratio. Now next question. Find the ratio of the following in simplest form. So here we have 30 days to 36 hours. Again we will convert it into same unit. So this days I will convert it into hours. 1 day equals to 24 hours. So here 30 days is equal to 30 into 24 hours is to 36 hours. Now you can see that 30 and 36 they both are divided by 6. So I am dividing both of them with 6. 30 divided by 6 is 5. 24 we are copying down is 2. 36 by 6 is 6. So here we can again see that 24 and 6 they both are divided by 6. So again I will divide with 6. So here I will get 5 into 4 is to 1. Now 5 into 4 is 20. So 20 is to 1 is our required answer. Now we come on our next question. Here next question is if A is to B is given 3 is to 4 and B is to C is given 8 is to 9. We need to find out A is to C. So first thing we will write them into fraction. So writing them into fraction I will get A upon B equals to 3 by 4 and B upon C equals to 8 by 9. Now we can see if I multiply both of them B and B will cancel out. So here I am multiplying A by B multiplied with B by C will be equal to 3 by 4 into 8 by 9. Now B and B this cancels out. Here 3 will cancel out with 9 and we will get 3 in denominator. This 4 will cancel out 8 and I will get 2 in numerator. So here I can write A by C is equal to 2 by 3. Now writing it in ratio form I will get A is to C is equal to 2 is to 3. Now we come on next question. Our next question is if 3A equals to 2B equals to 5C then find A is to B is to C. So first thing we have 3A equals to 2B equals to 5C. We can suppose it equal to K. Now 3A equals to K. So I can write A equals to K upon 3. So here I am writing A equals to K upon 3. Now 2B is equal to K. So I can write B equals to K by 2. Now here 5C equals to K. So C can be written as K upon 5. Now we want the ratio of A is to B is to C. So I can write A is to B is to C equals to K by 3 is to K by 2 is equal to K by 5. Now I can eliminate K from everyone. So dividing K from every I will get A is to B is to C is 1 is to 1 upon 3 is to 1 upon 2 is to 1 upon 5. Now we will take the LCM of 3, 2 and 5. So the LCM will be 30. So I will do I will multiply 30 in each of them. So A is to B is to C will be equal to 30 by 3 is to 30 by 2 is to 30 by 5. Now I will divide them and I will get the answer. So A is to B is to C is equal to 10 is to 15 is to 60. This is our required answer. Now we come on next. Next is 5 gram of alloy contains 3 whole number 3 by 4 grams copper and the rest is nickel. Now we need to find out the ratio of weight of nickel to copper. First thing, what is alloy? Alloy is mixture of two metals. So here we have two metals, copper and nickel. So alloy is mixture of both. So if 5 gram is alloy and this much is your copper, so rest of it will be your nickel. So what I can do, I can just find out the nickel weight by subtracting 3 whole number 3 by 4 from 5. So from here we can write weight of the copper is given 3 whole number 3 by 4 gram, or this can be written as 3 times 4 is 12 plus 3 15, 15 by 4 gram. Now the weight of the nickel will be 5 minus 15 by 4. Now taking the LCM, I will get 20 minus 15 by 4 or 5 by 4 gram. So here now we want the ratio. So ratio of nickel is to copper will be 5 by 4 is to 15 by 4. Now 4 I can eliminate and 5 and 15 they both can be divided by 5. So here directly I can write 5 is to 15, eliminating 4 and then dividing them with 5, I will get 1 is to 3. So this is our ratio and this is our required answer. Now we come on next. Height of Anshul and Dhruv are given 1.04 meter and 78 centimeter respectively. Divide 35 sweets between them in the ratio of their heights. So first thing, we need to find out the ratio of height. Now to find out the ratio of height, first thing I will convert them into same unit. So here height of Anshul is given 1.04 meter. This can be written as 104 centimeter. And height of, then ratio of height of Anshul is to Dhruv will be 104 is to 78. Now both of them comes in the table of 13. So I am dividing them with 13. So I will get 8 is to 6. Now both of them can be divided by 2. So I will get 4 is to 3. So the ratio is 4 is to 3. Now I can take the Anshul, that let Anshul get. Now Anshul share is 4. So I can take Anshul get 4k sweets and Dhruv will get 3k sweets. Now total sweets are 35. So I can write 4k plus 3k is equal to 7k, that is equal to 35. So from here k will be equal to 35 divided by 7. So k will be equal to 35 divided by 7, that is 5. Now Dhruv was your Anshul was getting 4k. So Anshul was getting 4k and the value of k is 5. So 4 into 5 equals to 20 sweets Anshul will get, and similarly Dhruv was getting 3k sweets. So 3 into 5 equals to 15. 15 sweets your Dhruv will get. So